After the last display of mini tins I opened, I'm super excited to open this one. What's up, everybody? I'm going to Power. Today we're opening the Paldea Friends mini tin display. But before we do that, we actually have something exciting. This is a Pokemon art box, a sticker pack. This does count as a Pokemon pack, but everything slightly gets more expensive. Come on. Let's see if I can open this up. What do we got in this? Holy crap, I actually got a hit. We got a Marowak. These are all stuck together up the wall. Oh, those are not meant to be. They're not meant to be connected. Wow, we got an error. And then we got Onyx and Clefairy. Those are not meant to be connected. Wow. Yeah, alrighty. But cool to see. I'm gonna get these open. I'm gonna get this product open and get the tins and everything out, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm finally done opening up those mini tins. That took way too long and actually would have made the video unnecessarily long, but we have 10 in total packs of Scarlet and Violet base set and 10 in total packs of Silver Tempest. So let's get to just cracking into these packs, seeing what can I get out of 20 packs from a mini tin display. This is the Paldea Friends one. If you didn't know that, I probably should have shown you what it looked like in the display, but if you saw the other video I did, it's the exact same look, just a different tins. Got this also for cheaper than I expected, 62. We have a Fido, Skitty, and we start off with the Oinkaleta EX. Not very much I'm looking for in Scarlet and Violet base set other than the Miraidon and Koraidon. Special illustration rare. I'm hopeful out of 10 packs of this we can hit something half decent. Grass and I need to turn this slightly. Yeah. Fido, Scatterbug, Drifloon, Sprigatito, XP Share, Stonejourner, Penny, Rocky Helmet, a Tandemaus, and we have a Koraidon EX. So 2 EXs so far, not bad. I'm really excited to get into the Silver Tempest. That is the set I am definitely happy to see in this. I'm not also mad to see Scarlet by base set. It's not a set you see weirdly as often anymore. I mean, every time I go to Walmart to try to find new product or find anything sometimes that's interesting, I don't see Scarlet by base set. I guess people are still buying that. Oinkaleta, Magneton, we have a Defense Band, and a Arbrava. I don't know how to pronounce that one. But let's see what we can hit. Hopefully it could be just as good as the last one we opened, because that one blew my mind with how many good hits we got. But granted, it was 2 Sword and Shield era. Not Sword and Shield, Scarlet and Violet era. My bad. Penny. With a Floatzel. Klefki, and we do have an NDD. Already 4 packs in and not hitting really anything too spectacular. But Scarlet Violet base set was one of those ones that had kinda terrible pull ratios. You never pulled anything too spectacular, but you never pulled anything that was awful at the same time. Granted, if you open a booster box of it at this point, you're not pulling anything good anymore. Mass Boftif, Rockruff, Drifloon, and we just have an Abrava. Halfway through the Scarlet and Violet base set. So far, only 2 EXs, which does seem about right. It did seem like one every couple tins had something good in it. But I just don't know if I was extremely lucky with the one I opened. Bombabird, Professor's Research, Rotom, and we do have an Oinkaleta full art. So maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong that this one doesn't have anything good. Also, not a bad full art to get. I actually don't own that one, so cool to pull new things. Now can we just pull Koraidon and Miraidon? Because I'm hopeful for one, like, very good card, honestly. If I'm going to wish for any set to give me anything good, please let it be Silver Tempest. That one I'm nervous to open. Avron. We have a Slowbro. Zangoose. And we have Professor Sada as a Professor Research, technically. Have you opened up a full display of this? If you have, what was your best pull out of this? Because so far, my best pull out of this full display case, display, whatever you want to call it, is an Oinkaleta EX full. I don't even know if I've actually opened up these tins on the channel. I may have. I might have to go back and look at my videos and see which ones I've opened. Bomba Bird. Mazboschif. We have a Picnic Basket. And a Donzo. Hala. I do like this artwork a lot. The 3 starters on 1 pack. Alrighty. Some of these cards look like they're coming out a little damaged on the top, as you can see. Right there in that's like some damage. Also, I didn't do the energy thing I normally do. Squawkabelly, Capsicid, Torkoal, Skull Villain, Oinkaleta. Let me get some focus. Oinkaleta, Sandaconda, Drowsy, and we just have a Professor's Research, Professor Toro. Last, Scarlet and Violet base set pack. Before we get into the more exciting packs, I'd say Silver Tempest is probably the most exciting out of both of these, and just straight up at this point, the better valued set. Pretty sure right there we have about $40 worth of packs with it. Mischief, Oinkaleta with a Stone Joiner, a Chansey, and we just end up with a Slowbro for Scarlet and Violet base set. Now let's move on to the good packs. Do I have to open these upside down like I normally do? Yeah. Alrighty. Now I have to remember the code cards like that. Alright. Now I have to remember one thing. Is this the set that has the trainer gallery? Or is it not? I don't remember. Vulpix, Snorunt, Fletchling, Ferroseed, Lantern, and we have a non-hollow Deoxys. That's not Deoxys, that's Delphox. Please do take only one code card. Don't take all of them and be greedy. Oh, crap. Y'all saw nothing. Y'all saw the... yeah, just let me... I don't know what that pack trick was or why it went... Ooh, the Lint Scene and everything. And we have a Superior V-Star. I know you already saw this, so I should have just skipped opening all those. It's not a bad one to see. Means that these do have some at least hits in them. No. Okay. Let's try to not show the code card. Let me... 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it. Dark Energy, Leaf Camo, Poncho, Sunflower, Worker, Sandygast, Relicanth, Alucha, Togedemaru, Petrel. We have Reverse Relicanth and just a Zora non-Hala. 4 hits so far, not actually pretty bad hits either. I'd like one. I'm asking probably for too much. A alternate art from this. I mean, I take the Lugia, but I'm not sure if that's what's going to happen today. Emolga, Fungus, Sandygast. We have Wallace. And we just have a Milotic, non-Hala. Seems about like what the average pull rates for Silver Tempest are. Kinda not great. Okay, now that I've got the pack trick down, Donphan, Dratini, Torracat, Spinda, Pikachu, Noibat, Togedemaru, we have a reverse. Actually, we skipped a Sandile, we have a reverse Glacial, and a Regidrago V. So not bad. About halfway through these packs. This is a lot of fun. I mean, getting to open up 20 in total packs is always fun. And it be 2 decent sets is not the worst. Steel Energy, Polysand, Matang. These are off-center. Okay, well, these aren't as much, but no, they still are. Esper, Smeargle, Litten. We have reverse rare Gardevoir and Jugga. Who? Alternate art unknown V. Holy crap. Yeah, okay, yeah. Holy Jesus Christ, okay. Not the alternate art I was thinking we were going to hit today. Not actually a card I thought at all we were going to hit. My heart is racing all of a sudden. I don't think we're going to top that hit for a little while when it comes to pulls. I think I did the pack trick wrong. Quad Stone, Dedenne, Fighting Energy, Alter, Baltoy, Sunkern. We have a Clink, a Petra, Litten, Ferrothorn, and we have a Dragapult, Hollow. Hold on. Honestly, I am starstruck, kinda confused, and happy at the same time that we managed to hit something that rare. And it only took like 5 billion packs of Silver Tempest. One of the V stores. You know, someone graded one of these and it's on eBay for like $80. Who's gonna buy that? I mean, I would if I really wanted something that like weird, but I didn't even know. Okay, Kruger Croc, and we have an Amoonguss. I didn't even know that. I guess PSA was grading stuff like that. The V, like star, like markers, like the cardboard ones. But granted, why did anybody grade that? And who's the person who thought that they could grade that and then sell it? Because you, sir, or madam, might be a madman. That is definitely the most interesting thing I've seen recently while looking through stuff I potentially want. Dewpider with a Molga and a Virizion non-Hollow. Last, but definitely not least, this has been an amazing opening today. I guess at this point it's been proven that 10 displays are the way to go if you're going to buy any of them. I would recommend the either one I've opened up this week, the Vibrant like Paldea one or the Paldea Friend. Both seem like they guarantee you some pretty good hits. Now I could have just gotten some really good ones and I didn't think about that. Nothing in the trainer guide spot, but we do end off with a Gardevoir non-hollow, but the best hit, probably the best hit of this week honestly, is this unknown V full art, alternate art. Beautiful, amazing card to be holding in my hand. But that's going to be it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!